Creating evocative and lyrical lines on encaustic wax paintings is one of my favorite ways to add linear definition, dimensional dots, and to build tactile surface texture. You might want to try it. One of my favorite tools for creating surface line is a Ukrainian Easter egg painting Kitska. I use a T-pin as a stopper to control the flow of molten wax. When I really start getting into the flow and adding a variety of hues, I have a whole tray of molten encaustic paint at my side. When I first discovered the art of wax writing, I felt a volcano of creativity erupting from my hand and built entire mountains of wax on the painted surface. Watch out for the rainbows of color peeking out from these waxy landscapes. My passion for encaustic is that big.